Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. This is our TGIF special. You think I mean thank God it's Friday? Even though it is Friday, I don't mean that. I mean thank God it's fractional. You have seen this a number of times before. This is our pre-decimal spot special. These are limited to one per customer. Before you go try and buying all of them, limited to one per customer. And this is the post 46. So everything made after 46 of the pre-decimal currency, they are 50% pure. So what you're buying technically is 200 grams in actual weight of metal, but because they're 50% pure, you're getting 100 grams worth of silver content. Hope that makes sense. The sale page, which will be a link in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment, that will explain everything. So it will say, of course, limit one per customer. There are 19 bags available, so hopefully we can spread the love a little bit. I know these will sell quickly, but I did want to limit it to one per customer so we could spread the love as much as possible. Please don't game the system and try and create multiple accounts. If we think you're doing that for yourself and your dog and the budgie and all that sort of stuff, we'll nix that. So just please stick to the fair rule policy, one per customer. It is limited, so you can only add one to the quantity to the cart anyway. But please, fair rule policy applies. Again, thank God it's fractional. Silver special on a Friday. I hope you enjoy the weekend. You've had a great week, I'm sure you have, and you've worked very hard, and you deserve some spot silver right there. So head over to bullionnow.com.au again, click on the individual link. Probably won't last long, but again, just wanted to spread the love, so limited at one per customer. All the details will be explained on the individual sale page. And of course, if you want to grab some other stuff while you're there, please do. bullionnow.com.au. That's it, gang. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll speak to you soon.